If you haven't been living under a rock, you may be familiar with this equation of a line. Y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient of a line and the y-intercept we call c. Here's my line. We can see it's crossing the y-axis at c, and the gradient tells us for every 1 we're going across, we're going m up. However, have you ever seen this formula before? Let me prove it to you. Proving this equation is actually very simple, and the reason we like to use it a lot more so than the last one is because we can use this given any point on the line. Now, how do we prove it? Any point on the line we can define generally as being xy, and I could put that anywhere. That is variable. But I can take a fixed point. We need to know 2 points on the line. I'm going to call it x1, y1. Now, what's true on any straight line? The gradient is fixed. How do we work out the gradient? Remember, it's about how much across you're going and how much up you're going to the next point. How do you work out this distance here? Well, it's the change in x values. When you go horizontal, it's to do with the x values. It's the difference between the two, x minus x1. Similarly, for the change in y, we're taking away the y values. Y take away y1. How do you work out the gradient? It's the change in y, make sure you're following, yeah? Divided by the change in x. And there we go. We times through by the denominator, and then we get our answer. Y minus y1 equals this times m.
Do it.
And that, my friends, is proved. Nice.